Get it, baby. Get it, baby. Show off. Yeah, show off, baby. Come on, Dega. 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 Get it, baby. Get it, baby. Get it, baby.
Oh, look at that.
It's almost like as if he knows.
Look at the strut.
Dega, you're showing off.
He
Oh.
is something special, and he knows it.
He's like,
He
I
is
am.
something special, and he knows it.
I am all that and a bag of chips. Do we keep Dega or do we call him Doc?
We call him Doc.
I am so here, you be careful.
There's a fence there.
Oh, wow. Oh.
Dega. Doc, you said?
Doc.
We're thinking Doc.
What is it?
Doc?
You want me to stop?
Yeah.
That's my old nickname.
That's what she said.
I was a paramedic for about 15 years.
Oh, yeah.
That way?
For over almost half my life, I was called Doc.
I think it's the doctor's a good choice.
Yeah, let that
Saddle breed in him.
let that bad life go back where it needs to be. No more of that.
We're in the past.
There we go. Better.
What do you think, Doc?
And the way you'll do that is when you're out at the barn, every time you call him to you,
Yeah.
I'm going to show you how as soon as he looks at you, you're going to have a treat ready for him.
Okay.
He's going to get a treat every day he comes to you for a while. And this way you won't have to go out and pasture and get him like Sam does.
Right, right.
I got news for you. If he starts to listen better than the dogs do,
If you send me those videos, I'll put it all together and put it on the thing.
Hi, baby.
Still shot?
No, I got the other camera though. It's a.
Well, I'll get a little bit on that. Sonya's a wonderful, wonderful.
Yes, she is.
Oh, look at that. Good.
Hey, Doc. Hey, Doc.
Stop. Dang, I don't
No.